A very good morning, students. In today's class, we will learn from the Honeycomb book, chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is Quality. I will explain you the chapter as a summary, and then you have to read the chapter, and then wherever you are not able to understand, you will ask me. Okay? So, this chapter, Quality, is the story of a German shoemaker who settled in London. Okay, he was a perfect artist. Means he used to make the boots, shoes very nicely. Okay, he used to make the boots of the narrator's father also. Gessler lived with his elder brother. The shop had no signboard. He made boots only on advance order. Okay, and they never failed to fit. His boots lasted long, so the narrator did not need to go to his shop very often. Understood? Then the customer going to Gessler sat on a wooden chair and waited. It was like going to some church. The narrator wanted a pair of Russian leather boots. Gessler showed his piece of gold brown leather and he promised to deliver the boots after a fortnight. Okay? Fortnight means a period of 15 days. Means 15 days after. Okay? That is fortnight. He, it seemed, used to dream of boots. Okay? Once the narrator complained that his last pair of boots were cracked, Gessler was shocked to hear it. Okay? As always, his shoes used to be in a perfect and in a good quality. Yes? But he was very much shocked to hear that his old boots are cracked. He agreed to repair or replace them. Yes. On another occasion, the narrator entered Gessler's shop. He was wearing a pair of shoes bought at a large firm. Then Gessler told that those were not his boots. He put a finger on the place where the left boot was not comfortable. Means he was so much genius in making the. He was so much artist in making the boots. He spoke bitterly that big firms made poor quality boots. He also spoke about the hard times of his trade. Now his own business was going down. The narrator was so deeply moved that he ordered many pairs. For 2 years he couldn't go to Gessler's shop. Now when he came to Gessler's shop next time, he knew that Gessler's elder brother had died. He again ordered for many pair of boots. It was over a year that he went to that boot maker. Mr. Gessler seemed to have grown older by 15 years. Now the narrator had received a parcel of boots. They were the best. He sent a check to Mr. Gessler. A week later, when he passed that street, he went to Gessler's shop to thank him for the new boots. But he found that the name of the shop was gone. It had been taken over by some Englishman. Means his shop was overtaken by some British people. Okay. The poor fellow died of slow starvation. Now what is that slow starvation? Because he was not able to earn much money in this market. So just because he was not having food, in starvation he died. Starvation matlab bhukmari. Okay. His business failed, for he took a long time to supply the order. He never made any advertisement. He used the best leather. He never gave himself time to eat. He was a character who made really good boots. Okay. Now this was a summary of this chapter. Now what you will do is you have to go through the chapter, read each and every line and try to understand. Yes, students? Thank you so much.